What's it said so far?
I have literally no idea. Oh, here it comes. You have a loving nature at times, a little too enthusiastic and impulsive. You are fond of social amusements and casually attract many friends. Your conversation is clever and sparkling, but watch the cynical side of your character. You owe it to yourself to use your gifts as a natural born leader. That's amazing.